Sundar Pichai becomes Alphabet CEO as Google co-founders step down. Google co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin have announced Google CEO Sundar Pichai is replacing Page as a CEO of parent company Alphabet. Larry Page and Sergey Brin have decided to transition from their roles as CEO and president, respectively, of Alphabet. A press release by Alphabet stated, "Alphabet and Google no longer need two CEOs and a president," it added. Fixing tech glitch taking more time than expected. HDFC on net banking outages. HDFC Bank's net banking outage entered its second day on Tuesday. The bank said, "Resolution of the technical glitch is taking more time than anticipated, while some customers are able to transact using NetBanking and MobileBanking App. A few may still be facing intermittent issues," it added. Users complained that the glitch delayed their salaries and bill payments. First ever text message was sent 27 years ago on this day. The first ever text message was sent on December 3, 1992. When UK-born engineer Neil Papworth wrote "Merry Christmas" and sent it to the cell phone of Richard Jarvis, the then director of Vodafone UK. Since mobile phones didn't have keyboards at the time, Papworth typed the message on a computer. Richard was at a Christmas party when he received the text. No better person than Pichai to lead Google and Alphabet. Google co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin, who named Google CEO Sundar Pichai the CEO of parent company Alphabet too, in a statement said that there's no better person than Pichai to lead Google and Alphabet. "He's worked closely with us for 15 years, they said. "There's no one that we've relied on more since Alphabet was founded," they added.